Welcome to the FinditParts web store walkthrough. During this session, we'll review the My Account section, including orders, payment options, mailing addresses, and more. To begin, go to FinditParts.com using any browser of your choice. At the top of your screen, click the Login link. Log into your account using your email address and your password. Then click the Sign In button. If you do not have an account, click the Create Your FinditParts Account button. Registering an account is quick and easy. For this session, we'll assume you already have an account. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your account. Here, you can manage all aspects of your account, including current and past orders, shipping addresses, payment options, special pricing, and much more. We'll quickly walk through each of these sections to help familiarize you with the many benefits of shopping from FinditParts.com. Starting at the top left of the screen, we'll click into Orders. All previous purchases made using your account will be available for review within the Your Orders section. You can browse through previous orders chronologically or search by order and/or part number. For quick reference, you'll see a summary for each order, including date of purchase, total cost, shipping address, part name, quantity purchased, and cost per part. For more details, click the Order Details link found at the top right of the order summary. From this screen, you can also download an invoice in PDF format, contact the support team, repurchase parts, review previous purchases, or view open quotes. To initiate a return or find your tracking number, click the Order Details link. From the Order Details page, you can find the full details of any order, including the shipping date, method, and tracking number. To return a part, click the Initiate a Return button. Choose which parts you wish to return by selecting a return quantity. Then select a reason for the return from the drop-down list and any additional comments that you wish to add. Once you're ready, click the Request a Return and our customer support team will contact you within a couple of business hours or sooner to complete the process. It's quick and simple. Next, we'll click on the Addresses section. For those shipping parts to multiple locations, you can save and manage several addresses. To add a new address, click the Add an Address link. Enter the address details, then click Create Address. After adding the new address, you'll be returned to the Addresses screen. Here you'll see the new address you added, as well as any other addresses you've previously saved. You can edit or delete any address. You can also set the address as your default option for all future orders. If you're part of a larger buying group, we can preload all of your shipping addresses for you and your team. Returning to Account page, you can also review any special pricing that you or your company have negotiated by clicking on the Contract Pricing section. That special pricing will be displayed on all product pages when you're logged into your account. For those interested in special pricing, please send an email to sales@finditparts.com with your name, company, and contact information to receive more details. To change your email address, password, and contact information, click into the Login and Security section. Once you've completed your changes, please remember to save them. For your convenience, FinditParts offers several convenient and secure payment options. The most common payment option is credit card. If you already have one or more on file, you'll be presented with those options. If not, you can add a credit card to your file by clicking on the Add a New Card. FinditParts uses the highest standard in 128-bit SSL encryption to protect your payment information and keep it private. You can also purchase using your PayPal account. Or if you prefer, you can open a business line of credit using our partner Interstate Billing Services. Contact Support provides a simple and convenient way to request help online 24 hours a day. Or if you prefer, you can call the FinditParts support team on weekdays between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 888-312-8812. Completing the Customer Profile section gives our team of experts the additional information needed to better personalize your shopping experience and provide you with the most relevant information and promotions to fit your business needs. If you have a resale certificate, you can upload those here to avoid paying state sales taxes for orders shipped to those regions. That concludes this session. Thank you for your time and consideration. We look forward to making your parts sourcing faster and easier.